Hi everyone, this is Sandy Crane with the Heart, and I'm back to share some projects. So I've been working on my kit from Darcie's, and so what I did was some of the cards that I made, I went ahead and I packaged them up so that they're ready to be gifted. So it's one way you can package, just packaging up really quickly. So I've got a couple of those that I've already packaged, of cards that I already shared with you guys. The other thing is something fun that you can send for Happy Mail is a card kit. So with this card kit, I've got a couple of card fronts that are ready to go. And then I have some images that I went ahead and colored, also ready to go. And then I have some sentiments that are just ready to be all put together. And then all the person needs are some card bases and then any other little extra embellishments that they want to include for the card kit. So just another kind of fun idea as I'm working through my kit is just creating some fun things that are ready to go for Happy Mail. Okay, and I want to remind you all that I still have my birthday challenge. All you have to do is send me a birthday card. You can email me at scoop71@yahoo.com for my address. Just stick a birthday card in the mail to me, and you can win a $25 gift certificate, gift card online to any online store that you'd like, or to PayPal. So you've got until June, let's see, I want to do June 4th is Tuesday. June 4th is really when I would like it, but I probably won't do the poll until that weekend, which I think is June, let's see, June 4th. 5th, 6th, it was like June 9th is that Saturday. So, I mean, if you get it by June 9th, then that would be fine as well, because I won't be doing the drawing until that day. So, you have until June 9th, because that's the day that I'm going to do the drawing, because my son will be done with his tournament. So, here are some options for some Happy Mail that are just ready to go. The other thing is a couple of cards that I made using the papers from the kit, but then also combining it with my La La Land kits. So this was the Paris kit for La La Land. That was the, I believe it was May's kit. And I did a lot of paper piecing with her. And then I used the Paris die that came in the kit right here. Colored in the rest with my Copics. And this is all paper from the Darcie's kit. So there's that card. Look how that one came out. And then this one uses all the Darcie papers, and then it uses kind of my favorite little embellishment that came in a kit that I got from La La Land. It wasn't the spring kit, I think it was the winter kit. And then this was, I want to say this was April's kit, I'm thinking. Really, really cute. Oh, no, it's not April. Sorry, this is April. This is March. Really, really cute. I just did some paper piecing here and here, did some Copics, and then used my Marcy there. And so just some projects that I'm making with this kit. Thank you so, oh, I forgot my last thing that I wanted to share with you, my tag. So the tag, I went ahead and just took two sides of the paper, put them together, and then did a scallop punch and a hole punch and made a tag. And then these are die cuts from Doodlebug. They're Paris, what is it called? It's called French Kiss. And so these are just the die cuts with the French Kiss. I did a little pom-pom trim, and then a couple of these Prima roses, and that's just a cute little tag using the paper from the kit. And so that's all kind of fun, and you can see how you can get kind of a different look when you use other stamps and things that you have in your collection. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I will link to my birthday challenge video. Again, it's really simple. Just stick a birthday card in an envelope, mail it to me, and you can just contact me at scoop71@yahoo.com, and I will be happy to send you my address. You can get that mailed. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.